We're sort of coming down to the concrete crossing. It's pretty fucking wild. Like there's no there's no fucking going over that. Like that's not just fast, that's like I'm not even towards the concrete and it's already dangerous. But yeah, that's just the first crossing, right? Like the next one's gonna be twice as bad. I think I'm staying on this side for a little bit. But wild. Properly wild. Properly wild. So this is just up from the concrete bridge. It's I know it's a pretty deep little gully, but fuck, that water is moving. Huh. Can't imagine what it is where everything links up. That's just one.